Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to delete the Windows.old folder from your Windows. Simply go to this PC, and if you have reset your PC currently or upgraded to Windows 11, so you might see this Windows.old folder even in Windows 10. How we can delete it? By this way you wouldn't be able to delete it and you will get the errors. So how we can delete it safely? But before deleting this Windows.old, make sure you back up all the data inside that machine. If there is any data in your machine, so you can back up that and then you can proceed with deletion of this Windows.old folder. Also, if you want to roll back to Windows 11 or 10, let's say you recently upgrade to Windows 10 or 11. So in that case, it will create this Windows.old folder. And if you see the options to roll back from your settings, you wouldn't be able to go back to your previous window, since those options will be not highlighted here when you see the option rollback options here. And here is also written here reset advanced setting and go back. So by deleting this, there is just some consequences, but if you are good to go with that deletion and want to free up some space from your C drive, let's say I have now 121 GB, so let's press window and R. Even you can type a run command simply and type here clean mgr, CLEAN and press OK. Then click on OK. Select the C drive, since window is in a C drive. If your window is in a different drive, you can choose another drive. Now what you need to do is you can select here the options. You will not able to see the Windows.old folder here. Why? Since this is under cleanup system files. So again you have to select the same options, and now this time it will fetch the details related to system files, and now you should able to get the Windows.old folder from this. You can see 49 GB of disk I can free up. So you can see here previous Windows installation. This is the Windows.old folder which is sitting here. Select this option, and even you can select all of them to free up more space. Recycle bin, that is up to you if you want to keep them. Otherwise, I'm good to go with that. And delete files. Once you see the deletion options here, the previous Windows installation, just tick that box simply and just click on delete. It may ask you to confirm the deletion of the system files. Just hit OK options to proceed it. And it may take some time. It is not taking more time in my Windows, but in your system it may take maybe 30 minutes, 20 minutes. That depends on your internet, that depends on your system configuration and its speed, whether you are using SSD or hard drive. It is about to complete now. Now it's completed, and let's refresh this page now. It's 121 GB now, and when I refresh you can see we got 49 GB free space. And now when you double click on this, the Windows.old folder is not there. So this is very easy, but I have explained you everything which is related to Windows.old folder. And I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.